fairly stable in Western Australia, but we're away from our family and friends and all that. The other side of the world, so just getting established. Not a lot of money to our name.
We probably would have gone the typical way of just investing in our super and maybe investing some shares and stuff. We didn't realise how much more you can make with property, I guess.
Yeah.
Infinite Wealth gave us a good starting point where they asked us what would we like to aim for, what's our goal, and how would we like to retire when we would like to retire. And that changed everything, I think, because we sort of now have something to aim for that we really want, and it seems achievable.
Yeah.
Yeah, the possibility, I guess, of early retirement and getting to do what we want to do instead of having to work for the next 20, 25, 30 years. Pretty exciting.
Yeah.
Everything's gone really well. Everything's been really easy. It's really good that they have all the different services. So you can do your tax, you can do your property management. They help you find the right property.
It's the all-in-one package.
They find the loan. Yeah. Everything is just really easy, really organized. All we have to do is save the money. Yeah, it's been great. Pretty good.
Much
yeah, we're pretty excited. Everything's going really well. We've got 2 houses now. Hopefully getting a 3rd in the next couple of months, and then maybe a 4th in the next year or so.
Just onwards and upwards from there.
Keep saving, paying ourselves first, and hopefully be able to become financially free as soon as possible.
Nice.
We have already done so.
Yeah, you like it too. Absolutely. Yeah, we've been super happy. Everything's been really organized. It's gone really well. We were a bit hesitant at first. I think most people would be. It's a bit risky, a bit of a dive in.
Like any investment.
Yeah.
We started with our first property in the not the most ideal location at the time for the market, just so that we could become comfortable with the whole system and how things go. And as soon as we saw that everything was going pretty well and how comfortable we were with all the team here, then we went on to our second one and just continued even better.
Yeah. Cool. Great, guys. Thanks.